To create a group chat on Character.AI. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch and follow this video till the end. Open first your Character.AI like this, and it will open directly on your home page. So after that you have to go right now and click here on create. Click on group chat right now and add your character, search for it. For example, I will just add this. I will click create group chat. So right now this is my group chat. If I wanna add like people or remove someone, I will just click here on add and I will search for someone and add it. So guys, I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and